Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you WHMLab, ultimate solution for web hosting, billing and management. This is our admin panel. We can see dashboard, client, total client, active client, email unverified client, mobile unverified client, then orders, total orders, active orders, pending orders, then cancel orders. Scroll down, you can see monthly orders, graph chart, then invoice, paid invoice, unpaid invoice, payment pending invoice, refund invoice. Another option is manage stuff. You can see all stuff. Then you can add stuff, edit and delete also. You can add rules, edit also. Then manage client, active client, brand client, email unverified, mobile unverified, KYC unverified, KYC pending with balance, all client. Then send notification, payment. You can see pending payment, approved payment, successful payment, reject payment, then integrate payment, all payment, order, active order, pending order, cancel order, all orders, then invoice, paid invoice, unpaid invoice, payment in pending, then cancel invoice, refund invoice, all invoice, then canceling, pending request, then complete request, all request, then automatic errors, then support ticket, pending ticket, close ticket, answer ticket, all ticket, report, transaction report, logging history, notification history, subscribers, then settings, system settings, then extra, application, server, cache, update, report and request, system settings. So many options you can see. General settings, custom CSS, HTML, okay, notification settings, SEO configure, manage page, extension, GDP cooker, all you can customize. You can see profile, customize profile and change password. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.